Welcome back to NetProfitNinja. In today's video, we're diving into one of the most exciting and transformative topics in the world of online business, AI tools that can help you skyrocket your income in 2025. Yes, you heard that right. Artificial intelligence is not just a buzzword, it's a money-making machine if you know how to harness its power. AI tools are revolutionizing the way we create, communicate, and execute business strategies. Whether you're an entrepreneur, content creator, marketer, or simply looking for ways to optimize your side hustle, these tools will save you time, money, and effort, all while opening new revenue streams. If you're ready to learn about the AI tools that could change your financial game in 2025, let's jump right in. 1. Gamma, revolutionizing presentations and documents. First up, we have Gamma, the ultimate AI for creating stunning presentations, documents, and even web pages. Imagine generating a fully designed presentation from just a single prompt. Gamma makes that happen, doing all the heavy lifting for you. No more staring at a blank screen, wondering where to start. You type in your idea, and Gamma crafts slides with professional content, images, and layouts, ready for pitching your big idea or reporting to your team. What I love most is the flexibility. You can tweak the AI's output, edit layouts, and even switch themes with just a click. It's perfect for entrepreneurs or creators looking to save time while delivering top-notch presentations. And saving time means saving money, or better yet, making more of it. 2. LumaDream Machine, transforming text into stunning videos. Next up is LumaDream Machine, an AI tool that is transforming the way we create video content. If you've ever struggled with the complexities of video production, this is a tool that will truly make your life easier. LumaDream Machine allows you to take a simple text prompt and turn it into a high-quality video. Let's say you want to create a video that showcases a serene underwater kingdom, filled with schools of fish, coral reefs, and a sunken temple in the background. With LumaDream Machine, all you need to do is describe this scene, and the AI will generate a stunning video that brings your vision to life. The level of detail, color, and realism in the video is astonishing. What makes this tool so powerful is that it's not only for filmmakers or big-budget production companies. LumaDream Machine makes professional video production accessible to anyone, regardless of experience. As a content creator, this is a game changer. You no longer need to spend weeks filming and editing video content. Instead, you can create immersive, visually appealing videos with minimal effort and time. This AI tool is perfect for creators in industries like marketing, education, and entertainment. You can easily produce videos that engage audiences, promote products, explain complex concepts, or simply entertain viewers. The ability to quickly generate videos means you can create more content for less money, which in turn can lead to greater engagement and more conversions. Additionally, LumaDream Machine gives you a competitive advantage when pitching ideas. Instead of relying solely on text or static images to present your concepts, you can show a dynamic video that conveys your message more powerfully. The combination of visual storytelling and AI technology makes this tool one that can significantly boost your income, especially for those in content-driven industries. 3. Hostinger, AI-powered website creation. Made simple. Having a professional online presence is crucial in today's digital world. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a freelancer, or a small business owner, your website is often the first point of contact with potential clients or customers. But creating a website from scratch can be intimidating and time-consuming, right? Not anymore, thanks to Hostinger's AI-powered website creation tool. Hostinger goes beyond traditional web hosting. It offers an intuitive AI-powered website builder that allows you to create a fully functional website from scratch with just a few clicks. All you need to do is enter a text prompt with your website's purpose, and the AI takes care of the rest. Whether you're starting an online store, creating a portfolio, or launching a blog, Hostinger makes it easy to set up and customize your site. The AI doesn't just create the website layout, it also generates all the essential pages, content, and features. This is a huge time saver, especially for entrepreneurs looking to quickly launch a new business or project. Hostinger also includes drag and drop functionality, so you can easily modify your website without any coding knowledge. You can add text, images, buttons, and other elements with just a few clicks. The AI ensures your site is mobile-friendly, which is crucial considering that most online traffic now comes from mobile devices. Additionally, Hostinger's e-commerce capabilities allow you to sell products online without additional transaction fees, making it a cost-effective solution for entrepreneurs looking to monetize their website. By making website creation accessible to everyone, Hostinger removes many of the barriers that traditionally made web development complex and expensive. For anyone looking to start an online business or create a personal brand, Hostinger offers a powerful AI-driven tool that can help you generate income. 4. Perplexity, elevating your research game. If you're a researcher, content creator, or entrepreneur who relies on accurate, up-to-date information, then Perplexity is the AI tool you need. Perplexity is more than just an AI chatbot. It is an advanced research assistant that helps you gather real-time, accurate data from multiple sources. Unlike traditional search engines, which only provide links to websites, Perplexity aggregates real-time information from multiple sources like Google and Bing, giving you comprehensive, reliable, and up-to-date responses. This is particularly useful for anyone working on business proposals, content creation, or market research. What sets Perplexity apart is its transparency. When you search for information, the AI not only gives you an answer, but also shows you where the information came from. Each response is accompanied by a list of sources, making it easy to verify the data and dive deeper into specific topics. This is incredibly useful for fact-checking, ensuring that the information you're using is credible and current. Perplexity is also great for anyone who needs immediate, accurate data. For example, I tested it by searching for meditation techniques in 2024, and it provided a detailed summary of the latest trends with source links to each technique's original article. It's also capable of gathering specific data like flight schedules or market trends, helping you stay on top of critical business decisions. With Perplexity, you can save hours of research time, allowing you to focus on analysis and strategy. Whether you're conducting market research, preparing business presentations, or trying to stay ahead of industry trends, this AI tool will help you gather relevant information quickly and efficiently. 5. Notebook LM, your personal AI research assistant. Another powerhouse in the realm of AI research is Notebook LM, a tool that leverages Google's advanced Gemini 1.5 Pro AI to help you organize and synthesize large volumes of information. Unlike traditional AI chatbots, which scrape the web for data, Notebook LM allows you to upload your own sources, such as PDFs, research papers, or text documents, to create a personalized knowledge base. This tool is perfect for entrepreneurs and content creators who regularly work with research materials. Imagine being able to upload all your industry reports, books, and articles into one central location, and then querying the AI to help you extract insights, generate FAQs, or even create summaries based on your uploaded documents. Notebook LM's ability to interact with your own content means you get highly tailored responses that are directly relevant to your work. The ability to process and synthesize large amounts of data quickly will give you a significant edge when it comes to making business decisions and staying ahead of your competitors. As you can see, AI tools are more than just futuristic concepts. They're powerful tools that can save you time, boost your productivity, and most importantly, help you increase your income in 2025. From Gamma's innovative presentations to LumaDream Machine's stunning video creations, Hostinger's easy website builder, and research powerhouses like Perplexity and Notebook LM, these tools are your key to success. The future of AI is already here, and it's time for you to leverage these incredible technologies to take your online business to the next level. If you're ready to start using AI to supercharge your income in 2025, make sure to explore these tools and see how they can make your entrepreneurial journey easier and more profitable. Thanks for watching. If you found this video valuable, don't stop here. Click the link in the description or the end screen to access a free course that shows you exactly how to make money online the easiest way possible. See you there.